This video is Chapter 20.2 Animal-like Protists. Think of all the ways that different animals move. Some walk on 2 legs while others walk on 4. Some spend most of their lives flying while others can only swim. Just like animals, animal-like protists use different ways to get around. The many groups of animal-like protists are often called protozoa. Like animals, protozoa move around and eat other organisms. The main difference between animals and protozoa is that all animals are multicellular, while all protozoa are single-celled. Snakes slither, fish swim, insects fly, and rabbits hop on 4 legs. Animal-like protists also move in many different ways. 3 common ways that protozoa move are described in the following. Many protozoa use flagella to move. Recall from Chapter 19 that flagella are tail-like structures that help single-celled organisms move. The flagella of protists, which are eukaryotes, look similar to the flagella of prokaryotes, but they are structurally very different. Some protozoa move by changing shape and forming pseudopods. A pseudopod is a temporary extension of the cell that helps protozoa move. To form a pseudopod, the cell flows outward and forms an extension of the cell. The extension attaches to the surface that the cell is on, and the rest of the cell is pulled toward the pseudopod. Some protozoa, like the amoeba shown on the screen on the left, also use pseudopods to feed. The extension of the cell surrounds food particles which get taken into the cell for digestion. Some protozoa, like the paramecium on the previous screen and on the screen here, move by using cilia. Cilia are short, hair-like structures on the cell surface. Cilia help an organism to move and capture food. Some protozoa cause infectious diseases. Malaria, for example, is a disease that is caused by an animal-like protist. Malaria can cause fever and vomiting, and in some cases it can even lead to death. It is passed to humans and other animals through the bite of a certain type of mosquito. Other types of protists are responsible for causing the disease known as sleeping sickness, as well as intestinal diseases.